Hey guys, so today is Glossy Box Day. I do still have my cold, so I do apologise if I sniff or cough, because it's probably going to happen a lot and I am sorry. So I haven't seen any sneak peeks at all yet. I tried to keep it as secretive from me as I can. Here is this time's box. It's got all these stripes on it, and right. I'm going to take this off so you guys can see, hopefully. So, I don't know if you saw, I hope you kind of did. So I'm going to use, okay, got a sneak peek on the back of there. I'm just going to have a look through this as we are going through all of this, so we can just see pricings and all of that. So the first product is Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. Okay, let's have a look. So the RRP of this is £32. It just says, brighten up your beauty routine with this daily dose of vitamin C in the form of this serum. Formulated to combat signs of aging and minimize fine lines, also works to fade pigmentation, sun damage with hyaluronic acid. It sinks in fast and leaves your skin looking bright with a radiant glow. So this one, it's vegan. Oh, that's good. Vegan, made in the UK, not tested on animals, and this is a 7ml size. Let's open it up and just have a little look. See, I do like vitamin C. Right, so it is clear, completely clear. Is it? Oh no, it's not completely clear, I lied. It just looks clear on my barely white skin. So it's got a slight orangey tint to it. Oh, it does smell. It does have an orangey smell to it as well. Yeah, oh, that has quite a strong orangey smell. And that has sunk in really, really quick to the skin there as well. So, I mean, I'm hoping on my oily face that it wouldn't take that long to sink in. So, next thing is from Me Suzy. I think it's Me Suzy. Yeah. RP of this is £8 and this is a full-sized item. It's a liquid eyeshadow and this one is in Fairy Dust. It's also a Birchbox exclusive as well, which is nice. Almost matches my lipstick today. So, more fun than matte, but more grown-up than glitter. This long-lasting metallic eyeshadow makes it easy to create a statement look that laughs. The creamy, lightweight formula buffs out easily with a brush or your fingers, and you can use it for a smoky bronze look. And it apparently is also creasing and smudge free. So let's have a little swatch of this. I do like the shade of it. So that's your applicator. It's like a little lipstick applicator. And I'm just going to pop a little dot. Wow, look at that. Put the lid back on so I don't ruin it. Okay, so that's more of a gold than a copper. Just gonna, wow, okay, little goes a really, really long way with this. But just look at that shine. Just see if I really, really sheer it out, see how sheer I can get it. So that is it, super, super sheared out. So you could go really nice and light with this. Just give yourself a bit of a gleam. I think if you are a darker skin tone as well, you might even be able to get away with that as a bit of a really glittery highlighter. But there is that. That is pretty. Then the next item is from the Beauty Crop and it's Wing Woman. I'm not going to open this because I don't do liquid eyeliner. But this is a liquid eyeliner. It is full size and the RP of this is £14. So just like your favourite Wing Woman, this eyeliner will give you all the confidence you need. No matter the look you're going for, flirty flick, cat eye or simple line, deep back formula will help define your eyes the way you want without any fuss. No flaking or smudging as well. So that is that one. So I'm not going to open it because I don't do liquid eyeliner. I have got some already open that I don't use. So I'm probably going to pass this on to somebody else. But £14 and yeah, it seems, I mean, Beauty Crop, I think we've had something else in Beauty Crop in the past. Next thing, Argan Oil Brightening Hair Conditioner. Okay, so we've got this one here. RRP of this is 2060. It's obviously a trial size. It's a nice size, it's 40ml. So let's see what it says. And so it's a restorative treatment for lackluster locks, conditioner. It says weightless gloss and hydration for dull hair thanks to the argan oils. Silky blend improves manageability, boosts moisture and protects environmental damage no matter your hair type. So there is that one. Let's see what it says. Yes, it just says it's a conditioner for all hair types. Doesn't really say much more, so let's just go to whiff. Oh, sorry, sniffing again. It's definitely got that argan scent to it. It's almost like a slightly masculine Argan scent. But all that does smell nice. I don't tend to buy conditioners. I tend to use hair oils instead, but if I do get like these ones, I do keep them and I do use them. So just we've got one more item left in the box. I've had this one before, which I used to get when I used to get my pink parcel boxes, which I don't get anymore. This one from Daily Concepts, and it's full size. RP of this is $6.95, and it's perfect sidekick for your shower gel. This environmentally friendly soy sponge helps you customise and improve your bath time routine. Not just cute, but also clever. It comes with a soft, gentle side as well as a textured side. Simply wet and run through your body. Now, I'm pretty sure with this, yes, so it says on the back here, it says replace when fades, so it's got like a little section on it that once that fades, it's then time to throw it out and buy a new one. Is this one for your body? I'm guessing this one's for your body. It's quite a small one. It says that it's an exfoliating dual textured scrubber. And it does say it's the body one. It looks a bit smaller than the last one I had. But there is that. I do like this product. I'm not going to open it though because I've already got a scrubber that I'm using at the moment. And then what is this? Elizabeth Scarlett London. This looks like just a coupon code. Make every day more luxurious with 20% off. Okay, so if you use Birchbox 20, you can go to this website, which is Elizabeth Scarlett. So there's luxury embroidered homeware and personalised gifts. So, valid between the 1st of March and 12th of April. So yes, if anyone is interested in that, code is Birchbox20 and you can get your hands on that. So let's just see exactly what March Birchbox was all about. So it says, whether we're juggling career ladder climbing, or active social lives, or balancing with a frantic school run and looming deadlines, us ladies are pretty incredible. So to mark International Women's Day, which was actually yesterday from when I'm filming this, so it's a shame really, because this actually arrived 2 days ago, so if I'd done my video when I should have done, I would have actually done this on International Women's Day, but sidetrack there. All month long celebrating the idols that are you. So that's really, really nice actually. So we've also got a April sneak peek there, which is from Be Kinder to Yourself. Anyway, it's a mood balm. Ooh, mood balm. I'll show you a picture of it now because I'm getting sidetracked. I do like these. So you can either go for Positive Pink or Sorbet Serenity. These colour shifting balms adjust your unique pH, creating a perfect hue just for you. So you've got either a pinky one or a corally one. I have lots of pink, so I'm probably going to pick the coral myself. And yeah, so if you are a Birchbox member, you will get an email through and you'll be able to pick that very soon. Again, I'll pop a link below if you don't have Birchbox and you'd be interested. You think you'd get a little bit of money. I think it's £5 off your box you get. And there's also a share tag win. So there's also got a little win me thing again, which is win £250 of Balance Me products. So it just says, take a picture of your March Birchbox, we Brucey treat, share on Instagram with tag at Birchbox UK, and tells you a couple of hashtags to use, and then they'll pick the winner in April. So there's the two little bits you get on the back of there. And so this, I quite like this box actually. But then as well, I won't use the eyeliner, but that's just because I'm rubbish at eyeliner, to be honest. I mean, if you guys could actually see the mess that my eye makeup is to look like this, you would laugh. Because I am not very good at it. So we've got the sponge, which I do like. It'll be kept in my stack, ready for when my other one dies. We've got the eyeliner. We've got that Argan conditioner, which is quite nice because I never buy conditioners. We've got the Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. I do like vitamin C serums. And then we also got that Forgive Me Suzy liquid eyeshadow, which is really, really nice. So those are the bits that we got with this one. And I really like this one. When I saw the box, I wasn't quite sure what it was going to be at all. I was completely confused. But these products are pretty good. As I said, this one will be going into a box that I kind of just have stashed. And then if someone says, do you have an eyeliner I can borrow? I'm like, yeah, go have this one. But yeah, I'm really chuffed with these items. And I can't wait to start using them. This one is going to go straight into my makeup spot. And these ones are going to go get stuck in my bathroom. So guys, if you are interested in the Birchbox, I'll put some links below. You don't have to use it, but you do get some money off. And if you do enjoy my video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss my weekly videos. Bye!